Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync MoxiWorks to Constant Contact. So as you add contacts into MoxiWorks, it automatically also adds them into Constant Contact, building out your newsletter list so that you can send out those newsletters quickly once a week, stay top of mind, and create more deals. Super easy to set this up. Let me show you how. The first thing you're going to do is go to apination.com. You can click on Start Syncing. It's going to show you a ton of different apps you can automate on API Nation, including marketing apps, productivity apps, and you can scroll down until you get to M for MoxiWorks. There it is. Click on that. And there it's going to show you all the apps you can sync specifically with MoxiWorks, including Constant Contact. So I'm going to click on that guy. And now it's going to show me exactly what I can send over. I can send contacts that are updated or added from MoxiWorks into Constant Contact. So I'm going to activate this sync. The first step to setting up these syncs is to sign into your API Nation account. If you don't have one, you can click this link here to create one, or you can sign in with your Google account, which is what I'm going to do. Once you're signed into your API Nation account, the next step is to connect the two apps. So I'm going to connect MoxiWorks, which is simple. I just go out to MoxiWorks. It just has me sign into MoxiWorks, and that's it. Pretty similar thing for Constant Contact. I hit the button. It's going to take me out to Constant Contact to sign in. And that's it. Both apps are now connected. Here we're going to create the sync. So one question is, which list do I want to send all these new contacts from MoxiWorks into? So go ahead and select the list you want to send them to. You could even create a new list, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to call it MoxiWorks Contacts. And hit subscribe. There we go. So that creates the sync. It's not yet active. I'm just going to do a final check. For example, it's sending them to MoxiWorks contacts. If I want to filter who sent over, I can use this filter tool, and I can filter by any of these options in MoxiWorks. I can filter by names. I can filter by labels. I can filter by stuff in the notes. So choose that. If I wanted to filter by notes, I would just hit notes and then hit contains. And if there's like a special keyword, I want to include people when they have this keyword. For example, FISBO, I could do that. Normally people will just send over all the contacts from MoxiWorks into Constant Contact. Just build out that list, have a really healthy email newsletter audience that you can send it to about once a week, stay top of mind with a large group of people. Coming down here to mapping, you can see we do most of this for you. We put the email in the email slot, the first name in the first name, last name in the last name. If there's anything else you want to add, just hit the plus sign, search for it, and pop it in there. There we go. This all looks good to me. I'm going to go to the top and activate this sync. And there we go. This sync is now up and running. That's it. That's how you connect MoxiWorks to Constant Contact. Now, any new contacts I add to MoxiWorks will also get added to Constant Contact. It's going to cut my data entry in half and allow me to focus on things like creating more deals. If you have any questions or need any assistance setting up this sync, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, and we're connecting the world's applications.